God damn, dude. Look at this R8, guys. In today's video, you're gonna see a lot of this thing. I'm pretty excited. What's up, food? Oh, it's a lot. Oh my God, almost $60. I did not want to fill up my car today, but I guess so. We got a lot of driving gonna do today. What's up, Alex? You guys remember Alex from like a couple vlogs ago? In his GTR? And now this is your other whip or what? Must be nice. Oh my God, bro. And it's stick shift. And it's a V8, huh?
Yeah, bro, I debadged this so you can't tell.
Bro, that was a good race, huh? Anyways, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today I had nothing planned, but I've been wanting to get some more content out for you guys. So I hit up the homie and I was like, bro, you want to go cruise like with the GTR and stuff? And he was like, I could bring out the R8 today. And I totally forgot he had an R8, but he brought it out. Are you looking at my mods, fool? Dude, this thing would sound sick, shape height. I haven't even heard it.
Oh, I got you.
Nice little V8. That shit sounds clean, dude. It's a different type of V8 sound. Yeah. Well, that's sick. We got two V8s out here. I thought it would be pretty cool to compare both these cars. Maybe do like a race or an exhaust video, something like me and Kevin did a while back. Because they're both V8s. I think that was like a 4.2 or something like that. I looked it up. This is a 4.0, so they're pretty similar actually. We're probably gonna go for a little cruise and just make some cool content for you guys. Are you vlogging too?
I'm gonna try to, bro.
You better?
I haven't been 2 weeks.
Me too, dude. I haven't been posting a lot either. But if you guys want to see his video from today, I'll put it down below. You'll see his point of view. He's living his life, bro. GTR and R8 must be nice. Like I said, if you guys want to see some of that content, make sure you guys go subscribe to him. Such a cool dude, super humble, and he got 2 badass cars. I need to get on that level. God damn, dude, that thing's sick. And he asked me if I wanted to drive the R8. It's stick shift, so I'm kind of scared, but it would be pretty sick if I drive it. I haven't done a point of view video in so long, guys. A lot of you guys have actually been commenting about it and asking me to make another one. So today, we'll do a little bit of some point of view action. I love making these videos and I watch them over and over after I make them. Oh, that was a cop. There's usually never cops up here. That's pretty sketch. Hopefully we don't run into any more police officers up here. That's the last thing I need. This road is so sick. It's pretty sick, huh? It's really short, but it's actually tight because no cars are here. It's actually pretty straight. I think I might have Alex go in front of me this time so we can film some of the Audi. That's tight, bro. I think that's probably my favorite part of the car. You just pushed the button and the spoiler came up. What the fuck? Bro, the R8 looks so sick from the back. That V8 sounds so much different than this or any other V8. A very like unique V8 sound. I really want to do a pull though and see who would win in a race. They're very, very similar. Like I said, I think it's like a 4.3 and this is a 4.0 V8. Holy shit, my car is shooting gunshots, literally. That was so great. That's definitely an adrenaline rush. I hope it looks as sick as it is in person because it feels like a video game. It probably looks just like a video game too. I love the point of view footage. It's so sick. I literally feel like we're in Forza, guys. With like the trees and the R8. Alright guys, I think we might do a little run with the comment down below real quick before you guys see it. Comment down below, what do you guys got, the R8 or the M3? It's gonna be a close race. Let's do a little pull. A little pull. Guys, keep in mind, his is stick shift. Mine's DCT, so there's very fast shifting. So this car shifts a lot faster than that one. So that might help me in a little bit. Bro, they're pretty similar actually, huh? Yeah. That's crazy. We can do it one more time. Dude, that was actually a pretty fun race. It was actually really, really close. You probably missed the shifts, but if we get a good start, this thing will be a really good race. Ah! He did miss a shift. Bro, they're not that far apart. I don't know, dude. I feel like if he got every shift perfect, he'll smoke me. I'm telling you, this DCT shifts so freaking fast. It's like, it's not even fair, bro. All right, well, that was sick. That was super fun. I knew it was gonna be a very, very close race versus a V8 and a V8. 4.3, I think it is, and a 4.0. I don't know. They both sound sick. We want to compare the exhaust, see which one sounds better. I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of that. So comment down below which one you guys think sounds the better between these two, and which one would you guys take out of these two?
I know I can't really tell which one's louder.
I know, and I don't think they sound really similar.
Bro, I can't hear.
It's so loud, huh?
I can't hear.
God damn, dude. Mine's just too loud, bro. That's what it is. It's way too loud. I don't know, guys. You guys are the judge. Comment down below which one you guys think sounds better and which one you guys would take. I think that one sounds better, but this one just sounds louder. The time has come. Bro, are you sure you trust me?
Trust me, bro.
I don't even think all three of my cars are worth this one. All right, we're about to drive the R8. I'm really scared, dude. And a stick shift.
Gated stick shift, bro. All you.
It really does feel like a video game, huh?
It does, man. That's what I'm telling you. It feels like those
arcade
arcade games, yeah. Hopefully you don't stop.
Did you saw your first time?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh shit. Oh my god, it's so scary. Bro, I feel like it has so much power.
When we were driving, your car overpowered this sound completely. So you couldn't hear it.
Dude, it sounds fucking sick though.
It's like a different tone than yours, huh?
This thing sounds badass. Which one do you like better, your GTR or this one?
Oh, this one's way more fun driving for the fact that it's stick shift.
That's true.
But the GTR is way faster. It's like,
yeah, the GTR is freaking insane.
oh.
Bro,
Okay,
so
calm down, natural.
Bro, it kind of feels similar to my E36. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why.
Oh, really?
Like, it feels like a little race car, dude. I don't know. Bro, no! I stalled. Well, we stalled once, guys. Oh my god! I'm sorry, I had to do one more.
You did that shit way better than me.
No?
Yeah.
That shit, it's hard to get it into that third gear, bro. Like,
Yeah, you saw why that second time we raced, I missed the shift.
yeah, I can understand why you missed. Like, it has to go. You have to literally angle it in there. Damn! It's probably one of the most fun cars I ever driven in my life.
See, when you drove the GTR, you said it's one of the fastest cars I've driven in my life.
No,
Now
the
you drove
GTR
this
is the
one.
fastest car I've driven for sure.
And then now you said this one's the funnest.
you got? Alright, bro.
Fucking natural.
I'm over here abusing your car, bro. I'm sorry.
Nah, bro, that's what they're for.
I want this in my life, guys. This shit feels badass. Please go follow this dude with his badass cars. First time ever driving an R8. I think it's fast. Guys, look at this dope spot we found for some pictures. It's just gonna come out hard. Bro, it's true. I don't think no one will ever know where this was shot at if I never told you guys. It's like, what is this building? But my car's due for new photos. I haven't taken new pictures of this car in so long. And I got some pics of this thing. I'll throw some of the photos on the screen right here of both the cars. Check them out. Alright guys, what you guys think about those pictures? I haven't taken photos in so long. That camera collected so much dust. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right there. I just hit up the homie Alex, told him let's do something today. Go on a little cruise, make some type of vlog for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alex brought the R8 out today. And I think we're gonna go pick up the GTR right now. But I might save that for tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Make sure you guys go down below. I'm gonna leave the link to Alex's YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. He started his YouTube channel not too long ago. But he has two badass cars, a GTR and an Audi R8, which is freaking crazy. He has a lot of content coming. So make sure you guys go subscribe to him. Watch his videos. He's a super cool guy. And I think you guys will enjoy his videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button. Subscribe to your boy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.